Hey guys, this is Minrich3D here, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial, a very quick tutorial on how to work this thing called Indirect Lighting. Now basically what, oh, it's got a message there on Facebook. Basically what Indirect Lighting is generating light from a property in here, which is emit. Change emit to 2, and as you can see, if you change the emit to 2, but do not put indirect lighting on, it will not emit any light at all. It will just make the actual material brighter. So if you take this lamp away, it's just a block of white in a very black and pretty dreary floor. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to turn this option on, how to change the settings, and all that mumbo jumbo which you need to learn because it's important to learn stuff. So, as I did here, select your object and change the shading to whatever you want. The maximum is 2. You can go higher than that if you type it in, but I won't recommend you do that because it goes a bit ridiculous after 2. So yeah, I'm going to put it to 2, and you can put it to whatever you want. Of course, 2 is the brightest and 0 is the lowest. So yeah, if you go to the world options and turn on indirect lighting, and in the gather, change it to approximate. Now this approximate basically makes the lighting a bit less accurate with the shadows and stuff, but it's worth it if you want to use indirect lighting. So in indirect lighting you want to change the bounces, which means how much the light will bounce off certain objects. Change it to about 4, that should be okay, and in the fall off change it to about 70. That should be the general idea. Fall off basically means the strength is how powerful the light is. 70 is a general lighting option. Now I press render it, it does nothing, which shouldn't happen, but it does, and that's because fall off is ticked, and there we go. If you want to, since this is a large scene, so the strength is going to be much higher. Even that don't work. Okay, just totally ignore fall off. It must have changed in the new version of Blender. Just tick off fall off. We don't need it, and it works perfectly fine without fall off. So as you can see with the emit, if you change it to 1, it'll emit less. 0, emit nothing, a black screen. Emit 0.2, emit a tiny bit of light. Again 2, lots of light. If you go to 10, as I showed you before, it's a bit ridiculous. It does look pretty cool, but it might ruin your scene a bit, because it starts to blur the light on the edges. It don't look as sharp. So yeah, this is another Minrich3D tutorial. It's a short tutorial, but hopefully I've shown you something cool. Might use it in some of your works. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you later.